Hey folks, your work from Hudson Valley Bee Supply here. I just want to give you a quick primer on how your overwintered nukes are going to come to you. They're going to come in one of two boxes, Pro Nuc box or an Easy Nuc box. So let me just show you how the entrances work on both of these boxes. All right, for the Pro Nuc box, it's going to be taped down, so just cut the tape, and as you lift this up, you'll see how it pops out. Lift it until it engages fully so it stays open, and that's all there is to opening the Pro Nuc box. The Easy Nuc, a little bit different. Slide your hive tool in here and literally invert it. Oh, look at that technique, so nice. That's how you open them up. Aside from that, just a little review. Take this out of the way here. So when you get them from us, it's going to be after dark, of course, right? So you're going to get them, put them in your car, put them in, so they're going down the road this way, so your frames aren't slapping together. When you get them home, you're going to want to open them up, but before you do, throw a veil on, because opening bees after dark, it can be a little tricky. No time to be a hero. Throw your veil on, set them on top of the hive you're going to install them in so that the entrances are facing the same direction, and open them up. That's it. You can come back tomorrow and install them. If it's going to be raining, you can come back the next day. So, and just basic review, installing a nuc. Probably a little puff of smoke wouldn't hurt right now. A little bit of smoke, and literally just install these 5 frames into your hive body in the same order that you got them out of here. So a little bit of smoke, put them in here. You're going to have bees left in the box, so just invert it and just shake the bees out of there. Another puff of smoke, close them up, put a feeder on them. You're going to want to feed them to get them going, and that's about it. It's going to be a great season, and we'll see you in the shop. Thanks.